How to fix TikTok closing problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok closing problem on Android phone. First, open settings and then just scroll down until you find the storage, and now click cleanup, and here you will find this one, junk files. Just wait for it and then click clean up junk files or cache, and just clean your phone cache like that. Click on it and click delete, and then just go to settings and then apps again and go to TikTok. Now click force stop here, this one, click on it and force stop your TikTok, and then restart your phone and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.